I was in Cancun for holidays.
I came to say hi, right?
After we met that day, then we were going out every day. And the next Sunday, we were both leaving Cancun. I was going back to Mexico City, and he was going back to Paris. I cannot describe what I felt when we said goodbye. I was feeling really like heartbroken. I tried to do it fast.
When she means fast, she means bye.
So from that point, we kept talking all the time. And he said, I love Mexico. And I said, Cancun is not Mexico. If you want to really know Mexico, you need to come to Mexico City.
Like 10 days later, I came to Mexico City for a week. That week in Mexico was amazing. Months later, I'm telling her I'm moving to Mexico.
So when he told me he was moving to Mexico City, I felt like, yes, he's crazy, but I knew he does these kind of things.
But there's a third party in this relationship.
Jeff, he's a wolf dog.
It's not that we are a couple, we are three, because he really takes his own space. We could have lived in Mexico City forever. But in one of our visits to Paris, he met his ex-boss, and he made a super good job offer to come back to Paris.
I'm a real estate broker in brand new properties.
Since 3 months before I had quit my job, it was an easy decision because who doesn't want to live in Paris? So I automatically said yes.
What is Paris? It's everything. It takes a lifetime to actually experience Paris.
This area is really cool. If you walk down the streets, you see those cafes on the side of the road, that's beautiful. The architecture is beautiful, and there's a feeling associated with it. I don't know how to describe it, but there's a feeling.
Is that like Mexican?
Also, there's a bit of pressure because I kind of took Luisa out of her bubble, comfort zone.
Bonjour. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Alguien habla español aquí.
¿De dónde eres?
De México.
Ah, bueno, bienvenida.
It's cool to have Spanish speakers here.
Yes.
I don't speak the language, so I have nothing here but Francois.
And Francois has both her needs and Jeff's needs to contend with, which could cause some issues at their price point.
So you moved back in order for this job, right?
Yes, basically yes,
Where's your office?
in La Défense.
La Défense. Are you going to be working?
Yes, I am going to be working like in the center of Paris.
Do you have to be there every day?
Twice a week, and the other days I'm going to work from home. So I would like 2 bedrooms. The second one that I can use as an office, and also if I get visits from my family.
Okay.
So I like to be in a nice neighborhood where you can feel the Parisian vibes.
Parisian charm.
Yes.
Terrace or balcony, close to transport, full kitchen, washing machine,
What are the deal breakers?
space.
You don't have kids yet.
No, we don't have kids.
No, okay.
We might have a small dog.
You might have a small dog.
Yes, Jeffy.
How big is your dog?
Have a look.
Oh, Francois, okay.
That's Jeff.
Oh, come on.
But he's
he
super
thinks-
well educated.
Yes, and
He's
he
bigger
thinks.
than you. Okay, we are not telling the landlord about this dog, even though a landlord cannot deny a tenant to have a dog. Once they hear there is a big dog moving into their apartment, they could easily get denied. There's almost no property on the market. It's really tough to get approval by the landlords. So how much money have you got to spend on this apartment?
$1,900.
$1,900 will get you a 1-bedroom. Maybe it'll get you a spacious 1-bedroom, but a 2-bedroom is not gonna happen.
So we have high expectations, maybe.
You may not be able to be so picky, but the good news is...
We will be picky.
Uh-oh, they're gonna be picky. They are amazingly sweet together. They have a big cultural divide between them. They're using English as their common language. The apartment's not far from here at all. Montmartre is its own village. It's got a young, happy vibe. Check this out. It's a dog park. Jeff is gonna have a blast. They will make so many friends when they are walking Jeff around Montmartre because that is not a dog you ignore. The Montmartre apartment is sweet, charming, well laid out for its size and less than they want to spend. It's perfect for Louisa, but it lacks the space. This apartment is just around this corner. It's a one-bedroom, 360 square feet. Okay?
That's small.
It's small, but it's $1,700 a month.
Okay.
And that's one reason you're looking at it. And it's right here.
Your happiness is important. Mine is also important. And we need to be able to live properly with Jeff.
Okay, come on in.
Guys.
Oh, thank you. Oh, it's super nice.
But we don't have balcony here, right?
No. Open the windows. Okay.
right.
You pretend this is your balcony. Okay.
It's really nice. Okay, true.
Their wish list is completely contrary to what I'm going to be able to deliver. Okay, here is your kitchen. For a small apartment, it actually has a dishwasher.
Nice.
Right.
Where is the fridge?
It's a baby fridge.
This is a standard size fridge for a small apartment in Paris.
Welcome to Paris.
Welcome.
It's a different way of life. So you will learn to live a little differently than you're used to living it in Mexico.
I really don't see where I can work.
Here's the bathroom. Okay.
Like the bedroom next to the kitchen.
That's nice. That's small though. But wait, can I shower in there? This apartment is super nice, but I want to see something bigger.
But you would prefer that it not be next to the kitchen. But you're in a small apartment. What choice have you got?
True, but we don't like that, right?
No.
Like, to me, there is no way this is an option to consider.
Here's the enormous bedroom.
It's a nice bedroom, but it's small and the bed is small.
Yeah. Yes, we cannot fit here with Jeff. Like, you know, Jeff sleeps with us.
You'll
can
get a
fit that.
nice little rug over there, and Jeff will sleep over there. Initially, they both really liked the apartment. Then it started to hit Francois that it was teeny tiny. Look, here's the deal. We have a limited amount of property in Paris, so you can't be too picky. In fact, you don't choose an apartment in Paris. The landlord chooses you. For the money, this is a great space in a great location with all the amenities that you want. So it's just about the small space and arranging your life to work with that. That's all it is. Okay, so we are now in Neuilly-sur-Seine. Probably the chicest suburb of Paris, situated between the Arc de Triomphe and La Défense. It's lovely, it's bourgeois, it's elegant, but it is not lively.
This area doesn't look super Parisian.
But it is Paris.
Where are the restaurants, the cafes, the life? The neighborhood is nice, but it doesn't really remind me of the kind of lifestyle that I want.
If you want space and you don't have more money to spend, then this is a good alternative.
This area is amazing. You just got to know it.
See, he grew up here.
And I will show you
But you
around.
were a kid. I'm not sure if Francois really understands like how important is this move for me. Never in my life I imagined at this stage of my life being in another country.
This apartment is very large, one bedroom. 570 square feet, so I know you wanted the space. It's $2,000 a month, but there's only one thing.
It doesn't have a terrace.
No, it doesn't have a terrace. You're not gonna find a terrace, but it does have 3 flights of stairs. No elevator. Oh. It's right here.
Francois, he's jaded. He's Parisian. He doesn't really care about being in Central Paris, but my advice to him is to make Louisa happy.
Finally.
Yeah, finally. Oh.
Okay, that's high.
Okay, here we go.
Wow, that's really nice. I can literally see Jeff running everywhere here. Look at the
He's
space.
funny,
Look at
he's
this
funny.
space.
No, yes, I'm looking. I mean, it's nice, but I really see like it's empty.
No, yeah, to me that's perfect space. I like space. I was not expecting such a big apartment. It was a good surprise to see like this huge space. I don't know if we can get better than this.
You have an amazing kitchen here. There's a dishwasher. There's
Nice.
a super big fridge.
Nice.
Then you've got a real oven, 3-burner stove.
Yeah.
It's a real kitchen.
And I can spot the desk.
Yes.
And is that a sofa bed?
Yes, that's a sofa bed. And this table does open up so it can be bigger. You wanted space. This is
Yes.
space.
Why do we have this window?
That window, you get more light into the bedroom, and it gives you cross ventilation.
Okay, that's weird.
Francois is handling the stress of the house hunt better than Louisa because it's his hometown. He knows exactly what to expect. For her, everything is new. Here's the bedroom that you saw from the living room.
Good size of
It's
the
cool.
bedroom.
It's a queen-size
Oh,
bed.
it's cool. Paris.
So that's the courtyard.
It's cool, like the bedroom has space. You know, it's like
Yeah.
just not the bed and you have to be like,
Yes.
you can
No,
really
there's
like
space.
chill. I can see again Jeff sleeping on the side.
Okay, here's the bathroom.
Okay. Oh, here's the
Nice.
washing machine. Shower?
Shower look? No, it's like modern, but it's cool.
Oh, it's super nice.
It has jets in it.
Well, everything is super,
Super
nice in
cool.
this apartment. It's going to be really important to find the right place where she feels like safe, home. And it's hard for me because I want to find a place that suits me. But in the end, it's more important for her.
You like it. I know you like it.
I do like it,
It's big. I have a desk. but it's not in central Paris.
If you want Paris and you want space, then you have to plan on spending more money. You just can't have it both.
The reason I want to be in central Paris is also to be able to out, to spend.
of course, it's important that you're happy to come down the line. But space is important. Like, space is important.
He's campaigning for this apartment in spite of the 3 flights of stairs.
Oh, I already forgot the stairs.
So this is the Sao Paolo Metro. It'll get you to your work and it'll get you to your work.
Yep,
And here we
straight.
are in the
And it's
middle of the Marais.
Pretty beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
You can feel the atmosphere.
I really like this area.
The Marais in Paris is actually the oldest parts of the city. Here you're going to find a lot of young people. So, you know, it's something to consider when you see this apartment because I think the apartment's perfect for you. It solves both of your problems.
Probably.
Yeah.
The apartment in the Marais is absolutely perfect for Louisa. It's really what she wants. She'll be so happy there. You wanted to be in the heart of Paris?
Yeah.
Yeah,
And I'm
you-
loving it.
Here we are.
Is the heart of Paris.
Is like my dream.
The apartment is in this building right here. It's 430 square feet. Okay,
Great.
so it's a spacious one bedroom. And the only thing is, it's $2,200 a month.
Okay.
So it's expensive. But there's
that
it
a,
was
explained.
too-
That
it was too
explained
good to be true.
everything plus.
this
Yeah,
is
no.
really classic Paris. From my perspective, it's worth spending a little bit more to be there. Okay, follow me in. And just keep in mind that there are some personal things here because of the current tenant. Voila!
Wow.
It's
Okay.
beautiful.
Yes, I like that.
I had a feeling you were gonna like this apartment. This is centuries old. You see the beams and the tomate tile floors. It's hard to find this.
Yeah. Yeah, it's super nice. I love the style.
Yes.
Wow! Now you have life.
You were looking for life. This is life.
The reason I want to be in the center of Paris is to actually leave Paris. Is this a sofa bed?
It is.
And I can perfectly see Jeff walking around here.
So you've got a desk there. And come see the
Okay,
kitchen, because the
yeah.
kitchen's great. You've got a big fridge, an oven, a 4-burner stove, and the only thing it's missing is a dishwasher.
Okay. Ay,
Come on into the bedroom.
Okay.
What kind of look is that?
No, but I think you forgot that we have Jeff. Where can you see Jeff sleeping that is not on the bed? There's no space, no space. We love him, but it makes things a little bit tougher.
So what's great about this apartment, too, is that the bathroom is independent from the bedroom.
And
like
look,
this
there's
light.
a bathtub.
Yes.
And a
Ooh,
washer,
the washer.
dryer combination. We passed it on the way in, but here's the toilet.
I think it's great. For example, I like the fact that the furniture is really special.
No, I like it. It feels kind of home, no?
I know, but it's expensive.
You want central Paris, you want space. That's what it
Yeah.
costs.
The location is amazing. The apartment is super nice. But I think that the biggest issue is the price. Because in the end, what's the point of being in a super nice area if then I have to limit myself of going out and spending my money?
The question is, can you afford it and is it worth it?
You're the one moving from Mexico to Paris. You have to be happy. So to me, like, the decision is yours. So what did you think about Gare Montmartre with the dog park and everything?
Jeff is going to have a blast.
I like the neighborhood area, but I think it's too small.
I can't see Jeff walking around.
And the bathroom is next to the kitchen.
But we don't like that, right?
No.
Yeah, Neuilly-sur-Seine. The apartment is pretty large, a lot of space in the living room.
Good size of
Right.
the bedroom. It's not Paris.
Le Marais.
You want it to be in the heart of Paris?
Yeah, and
This
I'm
is
loving
it.
it. Super small bedroom. No, but I think you forgot that we have Jeff. It's more expensive.
Maybe it's worth it.
Okay, so at this point, I think we both agree that Montmartre is out.
Yes,
It's too small.
No, it's too small, it's too small.
It will never work.
Neuilly, we have a spacious apartment. You have your own office area. Almost everything we need except for the stairs.
And for the location,
Le Marais, beautiful apartment, very stylish, amazing location for you. You have everything around. And you know, I finally see the appeal of living inside Paris, like right in the center. And I think you will love it because you have all the restaurants, bar, the cafe.
and it's expensive. I don't want to be poor living in Paris, not being able to do anything. But also Neuilly is well connected. It's 2 minutes walking from the metro station, so it's also easy to get to the center of Paris. So in that case, are we happy if we take the Neuilly apartment?
I will be super happy to get that apartment. If you're happy, I'm happy. And Jeff will be so happy, like we have so much space there.
On y va, Jeff. I know that originally I didn't want to live outside of Paris, but he was right, and this really feels like still Paris.
I think we made the right decision.
This place is super good for working from home. It's quiet. I have Jeff, so I'm not totally alone. You like living here?
Jeff is doing really well.
He's already a superstar. Everybody knows Jeff.
I love when he does that.
Yes.